So this is the PGC Canopy Light, and this is the PGC Canopy Light with Soffit Retrofit panel. So this here is the standard PGC light with no accessory plate. You know, it's a pretty compact rectangle. You can just install it as a standard canopy light. This is the Soffit Retrofit adapter panel. To use this, you're going to remove these 4 screws. This front cover is a small plate that can be removed. You can then discard of that, take the larger Soffit Retrofit panel and install it in place of it. What you're left with is a unit that looks like this. On the front, you've got your panel, you've got your LEDs coming through, you can see those 4 screws. On the back, you've got basically the flat panel and the light fixture, and it's all attached. From here, you can make your electrical connections right here and then install this into an old soffit. And it's really nice because it covers up everything, whether it's the messy light or the messy opening, but you can install this into an old soffit and it ends up being really nice because all you see is this.